Within the admin settings, email and order templates, DecoNetwork makes it easy to manipulate the default email and order templates used throughout the software. Simply select an email template, maybe the forgotten password email, and if you click Customize, you can easily manipulate the text or even the formatting for this email. You can also add new emails, in particular, new shipped emails. Maybe we have a situation where we're going to have the option to pick up from Coach. And when we're supposed to pick up from Coach, we want to send the customer an email that doesn't say items on this order have shipped. That'd be confusing. I said I was going to pick it up from the Coach. Items on order, and then that variable gets filled, are ready to be picked up from Coach. The following items have shipped. No, the following items are ready to be picked up. And then if it's a particular location, you're going to want to put the address here. And then you're also going to typically want to identify the days and times that the customer can come and pick up their order. And then here in the usage, we can control, okay, this is for customer pickup or pickup from Coach shipping method. So when it comes to email templates, you may manipulate one, you may create one, or something like the abandoned cart follow-up email. And this is one of the very few, have additional options. So I can automatically send the customer an email one day, 24 hours after they were making a cart but didn't check out of one of our sites. And if I come in a customized template, I could actually, put in a coupon code here and let the customer know, hey, so we'd love you to complete your order. Here's another 10% off that you can use. Use it now, and we'll take care of getting this out ASAP. So you can create that sense of urgency with something like the abandoned cart follow-up email. Within order templates, you can update the order templates. Now, there are two main order templates that are really being used throughout the software. The order, this is every quote, invoice, order sheet is going to come through here. And then we have the worksheet, which is the production worksheet. The production worksheet, you could come in here and you could simplify it. So if you thought it was too busy or you needed additional information, you can come in here and manipulate it. But if you're looking at it, there's a lot of code, a lot of things going on here. AI is actually pretty helpful at helping you manipulate this. If you ever run into a problem where, oh no, what did I do? You can always defer back to the default template that is always going to be saved for you and be an option to go back to. Something like the worksheet within the settings, we have the ability to show barcodes on the worksheet. So if you're using Business Hub barcodes, you're going to want the barcodes to be shown on the sheet. You need to have this box checked. Like I said, the order worksheet is the other one. So every quote, invoice is going to flow through this order template. If I come into the settings here, I can show the barcodes on the quote, invoice, and order sheets as well. It's really that easy to manipulate email and order templates throughout DecoNetwork. Just keep in mind that there's code used in every one of them, and you don't want to break that code. So make sure whatever you do that the template is working well. And one way you can easily do that is just come up here and test the template. If I test the template for order templates, it's just going to download a PDF that I can look at. Or if I come into email templates and I click test email, it's going to email me, because I'm logged in, that example email using this updated template that we have formatted.